I'm Brent from Mission Spec, and you're watching MAKO TV. Let's get it done. Oh crap.
Whoa! Is the game started?
That was the horn.
Son of a bitch!
Got a guy in this corner. I got no look, but if he pops, I got him.
Back up, guys. Light me.
Watch your right, watch your right. I got your left.
Too slow, guys. Got one behind the cabinet. Find the bar, are you down?
Nope. No answer, so he's up. Go.
Hit! God damn it, gun jam.
Good man. Hit!
Find the bar still.
Yep. I'm going to push him up behind.
Hit!
Hold on a second, hold on a second.
Right, this right here.
Alright, he's open.
Oh, that one is.
Open that thing up.
Get in there.
Go on. It's clear. It's clear. You want to go in?
He's down. You got one more in there, I think, Shrek. Watch out. Good. Good, medic. You got one there in the John piece.
Where?
Okay. Watch your back, little boy. You got one in there. Segment coming out. Right here.
I got you.
Put it right. We got a guy there. That's 10. That's 10. That's 10. Yes, sir. Come out. Admin coming through. What's up? What?
God damn it, I don't keep going on safe.
Other side of the bed, other side of the bed. Watch it. Two, there's two. Hit!
I got nothing.
Good, small crack.
Got him.
Hit! Oh, you shot me, man.
Sorry, bro.
That's all right. Shot me. Hit! Dead. Don't shoot, please. Don't shoot. All right, dead. I'm dead. Dead.
10. 10. Yeah.
Yeah.
10. Hit!
Grab my dang grenade.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna breach from this side.
Coming.
Kilroy, watch for friendly fire. We're going in the south side. Alright guys, we're almost done with this building. Let's storm in this building, guys. And up, staggered in.
Go.
Put it right!
Take it in.
I put on safe. I'm just gonna say
In the corner, dead.
I got right.
That's clear.
10, right here.
Right's clear.
Clear!
Clear!
Dead man.
Is that a bloody one?
Where?
On my nose somewhere?
Yeah.
Felt like it should have been.
Probably just cold.
It's just, coming from the dark. You just... Oh, shit. Are we going cafeteria?
Yeah.
Cafeteria's next.